everyone, my name is Ravi. Today we will discuss class 12th very important topic semiconductor physics, and today we will cover what is semiconductor and its type and about intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor. In the extrinsic there is two type, N type and P type, and in the dopings and their application. So let's begin. So first of all, we will understand what is semiconductor. Material. A semiconductor is a material whose electrical conductivity lies between conductor and insulators. And we have to discuss what is conductor, insulators, and semiconductors. So let's compare. Conductor has the high conductivity, and insulator has very low conductivity. So here there is no flow of electron, and in the semiconductor this is a moderate level of conductivity because the semiconductor here the let's now discuss the energy band diagram. When we are discussing the energy band diagram, so we will understand why the conductivity lies between these things. And we can see here in the insulators, the valence band and the conduction band, the energy gap is, this is energy gap which is too long. Eg is called the energy gap. It is too far, it is more than 1 ev. And in the semiconductor the energy gap is eg is equal to 1 ev. It means whenever we will apply the 1 ev volt, then the electrons from the valence band it can jump to the conduction band. And in the conductor, the valence band and the conduction band both are overlap, so it's easy to transmit electron from the valence band to the conduction band. Now we are moving towards the types of semiconductors. In the types of semiconductor, we have two types of intrinsic. In the types of semiconductor, we have two types: intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor. In the intrinsic semiconductor, there is no gap, as we have already seen in the here. This is a pure form of silicon and germanium. Here there is no free electron that can move inside the semiconductor, so the current can flow. In the extrinsic semiconductor, we will doped impurities doped impurities like phosphorus, arsenic, etc., to move into to make it free electron inside the semiconductor. And in the extrinsic there are two types of semiconductor, that is n type and p type semiconductor. In the n type semiconductor the majority carriers is electron. In the n type we have in the n-type semiconductor we have to add a pentavalent impurities like pentavalent like phosphorus, that will give an extra electron to the semiconductor that can generate and moving electron, so the conductivity can increase. And now in the p-type semiconductor the majority carriers is holes, and here we have a doped element. Here we have a trivalent impurities, and the impurities name are boron. In the boron we have the lack of electron, that's why the hole is created, and due to the holes the majority carriers is become holes, so the holes become majority carriers. And let's now come to the applications of the semiconductors. So currently we have diodes are the main applications we are using everywhere in the semiconductors, and transistors and LEDs, solar cells and microprocessors. These are the applications of the semiconductors and currently we are using. And thanks for watching. If you find interesting in this video, please let me know and tell in the comment section. Thanks a lot.